Unleash the power of craftsmanship, with bespoke solutions designed just for you. Our team specializes in creating company-specific designs that set you apart from the crowd. With seamless page imports and custom codes, your vision becomes a reality, effortlessly. We excel in custom integrations and migrate your platforms without interrupting your ongoing campaigns. Discover the tailored services by Landingi that will revolutionize your landing page experience. Our devoted design team crafts high-impact landing pages that align perfectly with your marketing goals. Imagine having stunning templates that are not only reusable but fully consistent with your brand's voice. Enjoy the advantage of having a responsive layout that offers a top-tier user experience on mobile devices. Maintain a cohesive brand image with professionally designed pages that reflect your unique style. Want personalized guidance? Schedule a call with Carolina to explore the endless possibilities ahead.